guys, it's Mark from ElectricVibes Guitar Tuition. Today we're going to go through the backcountry solo. Here's the first part. Okay, so here's the first part. I'm going to go for it on clean, talk it through it while I'm doing it. 15 and 17. 9, 11. 8 and 10. 12, 15, 12, 13, 14, 13, 15. On it again. 15 and 17, second string and third string. 9 and 11, second string, third string. 8 and 10, second string, third string. Fourth string, 12, 15. Third string, 12, 13, 14. And second string, 13, 15 with a bit of a tremolo on the bottom there. Then, once again, just repeats the pattern. But this time, I don't know, if you've got a Floyd Rose, you go into an open D dive bomb, but if you haven't got one, you can either hit your D, which is the 12th fret on your 4th string, or you can hit the D to the 5th fret on your 5th string rather. That's the first bit for you. Okay, so here's the second part. Starting on 3rd string, 5th fret, you're going to bend it up a semitone, then down a tone, or up to the note value of 6th fret, and then down to the note value of 7th fret. And from there you're going to slide to 10, you're going to repeat it again, you're going to slide to 12, then you're going to repeat it once more, and then put your little finger down the 2nd string, and slide up to 13. From there, you're going to do a huge bend of the full tone with your little finger. I usually use all my fingers to help me get that push. It's the 13th fret of your 2nd string. Then release, bar with your 1st finger on the 10th fret of the 2nd and the 3rd string. And you're going to go 10 on the 2nd string, 13 on your 3rd, 10 on your 3rd, then 13 on your 3rd. You can either pick it with alternate picking, or you can just hammer on and pull off. I'm trying to think which one I use now, is it? Yeah, I always use the hammer on and pull off kind of method. It makes it a bit simpler, I just find it easier. From there, you're gonna use a bit of a finger tapping method. I usually use my second finger, I use my second finger, just there, and it's gonna go on to the 19th fret of your 3rd string, and then on the 21st fret of your 3rd string, so it goes. Then I'll use a hammer on and pull off method again. If you want to get a bit of tremolo in those two notes, what you can do is, let me do it on distortion, it makes it a bit easier to hear. What you do is, when you're pushing on, bend with your fingers that are still down. End of the second bit, quick go over it again. Simples. Okay, so the third part. First note, 17 in your 1st string, 16 in your 1st string, 15 in your 1st string, 18 in your 2nd string, back to 15 in your 1st string, bending 18 2nd string. I always use my little finger, but I always use my 3rd finger to help give it a good push up, so it goes. From there, 18 1st, 17 1st, 18 2nd, barring with your 1st finger, 13th frets of your 2nd and 3rd string. So it goes 13th fret 3rd string, 13th fret 2nd string, 15th fret of your 2nd string. So from the start it goes. The last 3 notes are 13th fret of your 3rd string, 15th fret of your 2nd string, and 18th fret of your 2nd string. So from the start on clean. And know everything sounds naff and clean, but the theory behind it, if you play it on clean, once you stick distortion on, it'll sound magic. Let's try it with some distortion. So, you can see I'm having a couple of, I'm having a couple of little bends and tremolo stuff. It's very sophisticated. It's a lot of slides, bends, tremolos. It's completely your preference. Once you get the hang of the solo, though, you'll know where it's going. If you listen to the actual song enough times, you'll know where they go and where they fit and where they don't really. It's the third part. Right, on to number 4. Alright, so you've just gone, from there you're going to go to the 15th fret of your 2nd string, 1 note there, and then you're going to go to your 4th string with your 2nd finger. You see my fingers moving here, I'm using my 2nd finger for the 15th fret and 2nd string, and my 1st finger for the 15th fret on my 4th string. So you're going 1, 1, 2, 3, then 18th fret of your 2nd string, and 14th fret of your 3rd string. Once again, 1 on the 18th, 3 on the 14th. Sliding down 1 fret to your 17th and your 13th. 1 on your 17th of your 2nd string. 3 on the 13th fret of your 3rd string. God, that's a tongue twister. And then finally, 1st string and 2nd string. You want to go 15th fret on the 1st, 14th on the 2nd, 1 on the 15th, 3 on the 14th. Then from there, straight away, I always use my 2nd finger for this, do a very sophisticated kind of slide up, and you go 17, 18, 17, 16, 17, 18, 17, 17, 12. So it goes. That's the whole of the 4th section. Okay, it's out of the 3rd section, into the 4th section, this is how it should sound. Alright, we're nearly there. Section number 5. Final bit of the main part that instigates solo in this one. This part probably looks the hardest. It's really not. It's quite simple. You've got some chromatics with just a couple of fret skips, a couple of fret gaps, and then it's really not that difficult. We'll go through it slowly. I'll do it on clean. Okay, so you're starting on your 10th fret. This is just chromatic. 10, 11, 12, 13. So you want to end that on the 11th fret. So just think about doing 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 11, and then doing that twice. Excuse me. And then you're going to want to slide up to 12 and do this 12 and do the same. So once again, ending on a 13, and slide it a semitone up or a fret up. 13. This time you're just going to do the exact same thing, but you're just going to miss out the 13th fret and replace it with miss out the 14th fret, replace it with 15, 16, and 17. And the last one, slide that 1st finger up to your 17th fret. 17, 18, 21, 18, 17, 18 on the 2nd string, 17 2nd string, 18 2nd string, 20 2nd string, 17, 18, 20 on the 1st string, then 22 with a nice little bend in it. Last bit with some distortion on. Anyway guys, good luck. It doesn't matter if it takes you 2 hours to do it, 10 hours to do it. If it takes you 10 hours, it just means you're learning more than the guys that took 2 hours to do, so whatever. Good luck with it. Back control Avenged Sevenfold. See you next time.